Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so features work reliably. Make sure Mac OS is updated and your Apple ID uses two-factor authentication. This allows secure model access. Once done, plug in or ensure battery is above 20% and join a stable Wi-Fi network, because heavy on device processing and downloads need bandwidth. Next, open System Settings, locate Apple Intelligence, and enable it. This first step registers your Mac, downloads any required components, and prepares you to use split workflows or on-device assistance without delay. Now you configure behavior and start using features inside apps. You choose which apps can use Apple Intelligence. For example, enable Mail for smart summaries and notes for drafting, so functionality only appears where you want it. Make sure to set privacy preferences. Decide between on-device processing for confidentiality or cloud assist for broader context. Then customize shortcuts and prompt templates to speed repeat tasks. As you test, use short, explicit prompts. If a result is off, refine inputs or adjust model preferences until responses match your workflow expectations. Finish by validating setup with a quick reel task to confirm performance. Ask Apple Intelligence to summarize a long note or compose a draft email. This proves model integration and reveals latency. Make sure components remain updated in system settings and watch for background downloads after enabling features. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart your Mac first, then toggle Apple Intelligence off and on. If issues persist, sign out of your Apple ID, sign back in, and recheck network and privacy settings to clear lingering authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.